Have you ever wondered why crocodiles outlived the dinosaurs, surviving for over 200 million years? Now that's a question that can spark a fascinating adventure into the world of these ancient reptiles. Crocodiles, the armored titans of the animal kingdom, are a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptability. Dive back in time to the Mesozoic era, over 200 million years ago, a time when dinosaurs dominated the Earth. Amidst these giants, our protagonist, the crocodile, made its first appearance. But unlike its dinosaur contemporaries, the crocodile was destined to stick around, enduring through the ages and witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. Crocodiles, with their robust bodies, powerful jaws, and keen senses, have undergone minimal evolutionary changes over the eons. Their design was so efficient and versatile from the get-go that nature saw little need for drastic alterations. This perfect blend of form and function has allowed crocodiles to adapt to a variety of habitats, from freshwater rivers to the brackish mangroves and even the open ocean. Their resilience and adaptability are nothing short of remarkable. While the mighty dinosaurs met their end in a catastrophic event about 65 million years ago, the crocodiles survived. They weathered the storm and emerged on the other side, virtually unchanged. In essence, when you look at a crocodile, you're not just seeing a creature. You're looking at a living, breathing piece of prehistoric history that has stood the test of time. Their survival story is a testament to their incredible adaptive abilities and resilience, traits that have kept them at the top of the food chain for millions of years. So what makes these ancient reptiles so unique and resilient? Well, their journey is far from being a simple tale. It's a complex saga of survival, filled with fascinating oddities and wonders that set them apart from other creatures. Let's dive deeper into the world of crocodiles. When you hear the word crocodile, what image comes to mind? A large, green, scaly creature, perhaps? But did you know there are actually 23 different species of crocodiles? From the Nile to the outback, these ancient reptiles have adapted to diverse habitats across the globe. Each species has its own unique set of characteristics that set it apart from the rest, making the world of crocodiles much more diverse than one might initially think. Let's start with one of the most iconic, the Nile crocodile. This species is native to Africa and is recognized by its dark bronze color and V-shaped snout. Growing up to 20 feet long, it's a formidable predator in its environment. Now, let's take a trip to the other side of the world, to meet the saltwater crocodile, the largest of all living reptiles. This behemoth can reach lengths of up to 23 feet and is known for its broad snout and saltwater resilience, hence the name. But not all crocodiles are giants. Meet the dwarf crocodile, the smallest of the family. Found in the rainforests of West Africa, this little reptile rarely exceeds 6 feet in length. Its nocturnal lifestyle and armored black skin make it a stealthy inhabitant of its habitat. Then there's the gharial, a crocodile you've probably never heard of. Native to the Indian subcontinent, the gharial is easily identified by its unique, long and narrow snout, designed for catching fish. It's one of the most endangered crocodile species, with fewer than 200 adults left in the wild. Finally, let's not forget the American alligator, a close relative of the crocodile. With its rounded snout and preference for freshwater habitats, the American alligator is a familiar sight in the southern United States. Each of these species, from the colossal saltwater crocodile to the diminutive dwarf crocodile, displays the remarkable adaptability and diversity of this reptile family. They've survived for over 200 million years, adapting to changing environments and evolving into the varied species we see today. From the massive saltwater crocodile to the small and elusive dwarf crocodile, the diversity in this reptile family is truly astounding. Crocodiles are not just about scales and teeth, they lead complex and intriguing lives. Now let's dive into the peculiar lifestyle of these fascinating creatures. Crocodiles are known for their cunning hunting strategies. They are primarily carnivorous, feasting on a variety of prey from fish and birds to larger mammals. However, they are not the mindless beasts many perceive them to be. Their hunting techniques are a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. For instance, they've been known to use lures like sticks or branches to attract unsuspecting birds. They patiently wait, often partially submerged, blending with their surroundings until the perfect moment to strike. But it's not all about the hunt. Crocodiles are surprisingly social creatures. They communicate using a range of signals from postures and movements to sounds and even touch. It's a complex language that we are just beginning to understand. Contrary to popular belief, crocodiles are not solitary, but rather they live in groups called floats or basques. They establish territories, hierarchies, and even seem to recognize their kin. When it comes to reproduction, crocodiles exhibit remarkable parental care. Females lay their eggs in nests built from vegetation or sand and vigilantly guard them against predators. Once hatched, the mother crocodile gently carries her newborns in her powerful jaws to the water, a sight that contradicts the ferocious image we often associate with these creatures. Their lifestyle is also marked by longevity. Some crocodile species can live up to 70 to 100 years, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They've been on this planet much longer than humans, weathering changes that led to the extinction of many other species. Crocodiles are more than the menacing, prehistoric creatures we see in movies. They are complex beings with unique behaviors and abilities. Their lifestyle and behaviors are a testament to their intelligence, adaptability, and resilience. As we can see, crocodiles are not mindless predators, but intelligent creatures with complex behaviors. It's time we look beyond the scales and teeth and appreciate the intriguing lives they lead. While crocodiles might seem terrifying to some, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. They are the ultimate apex predators, reigning at the top of the food chain. Their presence in aquatic environments is essential for keeping certain species populations under control. Predominantly, they feed on fish, birds, and mammals, ensuring that no single species overpopulates and upsets the delicate balance of nature. But crocodiles are not just hunters. They also play the role of environmental engineers. By digging burrows and creating water pools during the dry season, they provide essential habitats for a myriad of other species. These crocodile holes become oases of life in otherwise parched landscapes. However, crocodiles face numerous challenges due to human activities. Habitat loss is a major issue. As we encroach upon their territories for agriculture, infrastructure, and housing, these majestic creatures are left with shrinking homes. Pollution is another concern. Chemicals and waste dumped into water bodies can directly harm crocodiles or deplete their food sources. Then there's the issue of hunting. Crocodiles have been hunted for centuries for their skin, which is used to make luxury goods like handbags and shoes. Despite international regulations, illegal hunting and trading continue to threaten some species. Additionally, climate change poses a unique challenge. You see, the sex of a crocodile is determined by the temperature of the eggs during incubation. Warmer temperatures result in more males, while cooler temperatures produce females. As global temperatures rise, we could see a drastic skew in gender ratios, threatening the survival of these species. But it's not all doom and gloom. Increasing awareness and conservation efforts are making a difference. Today, many crocodile species are protected by law, and their populations are slowly recovering. Despite their fearsome reputation, it's crucial to respect and protect these ancient creatures for the health of our planet. After all, they've been around since the time of the dinosaurs, and it's our responsibility to ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come. The future of crocodiles depends on our actions today. As we delve into the world of crocodile conservation, we must first understand the threats these magnificent creatures face. Habitat loss, for instance, poses a significant challenge. As we continue to expand our cities and towns, we encroach upon the natural habitats of these creatures, forcing them into smaller and smaller areas. Hunting is another menace. Despite legal protections in many parts of the world, illegal hunting for crocodile skin and meat continues. This not only reduces the population, but also disrupts the balance of ecosystems, where these animals play a crucial role. Climate change, too, is a growing concern. Rising temperatures and sea levels can devastate crocodile habitats, and changes in weather patterns can affect their breeding cycles. But there's hope. Conservation efforts around the world are working tirelessly to ensure the survival of these amazing animals. Dedicated teams are creating and protecting crocodile habitats, implementing strict anti-hunting measures, and conducting research to understand how best to support crocodile populations in the face of climate change. And we can all play a part in these efforts. Simple actions, like supporting responsible tourism and wildlife organizations, can make a big difference. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of crocodiles in the ecosystem, dispelling myths and fears that often lead to unnecessary conflict. We can also vote for policies and leaders that prioritize environmental conservation and the fight against climate change. In some parts of the world, crocodiles are seen as living fossils, a bridge to our prehistoric past. In others, they're revered as symbols of power and survival. But no matter where we are, we must remember that these creatures are an integral part of our world's biodiversity. Remember, every creature, no matter how fearsome, plays a vital role in our planet's health. Let's do our part to ensure crocodiles continue to thrive for centuries to come.